In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook page category. If you've recently shifted your business focus or want your page to show up under a more accurate topic, updating your category is a quick way to help the right people find you. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Facebook account that manages the page, ideally with an admin role, and that you're using a web browser for the most consistent layout. First, log into Facebook in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner for your profile photo. Click it to open the account switcher. Then select See All Profiles. This will show any profiles and pages you manage. Click the page you want to update so you're working from the page view, not your personal profile. Next, navigate to the About section of your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click About. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little. Layouts do change from time to time, but the About area is where page details live. Inside the About area, open the category settings. Look for Contact and Basic Info and click it. This is where your page's core details are stored. Scroll through until you see Category. This field tells Facebook and visitors how to understand your page, and it influences how your page is recommended in searches. Now it's time to edit. Click Edit next to Category. In the field that appears, start typing a word or phrase that best describes your page, like restaurant, consulting agency, or online store. As you type, Facebook will suggest categories in a drop-down. Choose the most accurate match from the list rather than typing a custom label, because only the predefined options work as official categories. If you're unsure which to pick, think about what your audience would search for and select the closest fit. Some pages allow more than one category, so prioritize the primary one first and keep it consistent with your services. Once you've selected the category that fits, click Save. You should see a brief confirmation, and your changes will take effect. If the update doesn't appear immediately on your public page, give it a few minutes and refresh. If you don't see the edit option, double-check that you're on the correct page and signed in with the right permissions. That's it. You've updated your Facebook page category, helping your page appear in the right searches and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider fine-tuning your other page details in the About section to keep everything consistent and clear.